Everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix a declined Gcash payment. You see, the first thing you need to do is check your Gcash balance. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your Gcash wallet to cover the payment. Next, you need to verify your internet connection. Make sure it is stable and active. Next, you need to restart the Gcash app. Close the Gcash application completely and then reopen it. It sometimes helps. And if that doesn't work, ensure you have the correct recipient details. Double check that you've entered the correct mobile number or account details of the person or merchant you're paying. Next, you need to confirm that your transaction amount does not exceed your daily or monthly Gcash transaction limits. These limits are in place for security. If all that doesn't work, you can simply update your Gcash app. Make sure you're using the latest versions of the Gcash application because outdated versions can sometimes have issues. So check your Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS or App Gallery for iOS for updates. Now, if the issue persists after trying all the steps we've mentioned, the best course of action is to directly contact Gcash customer support for assistance. They can provide specific reasons for the declined payment and help resolve the issues. It's important for you to know that for online payments or subscriptions, also ensure that the Gcash is supported payment method by the merchant or server or service provider. If you are paying bills, check if the biller might be temporary or unavailable within the Gcash app. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.